What y'all doing? Hey YouTube, how is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope your week is starting off great. Hope you're getting ready for the weekend. And oh yeah, Dallas Cowboys, they didn't go nowhere. But I'm still gonna bring you guys some football food, okay? I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I want to thank all of my ride or die subscribers. And Ms.O is going to bring you some Super Bowl snacks. All right? Today we're going to do, stay with me now. Come on. You know, Ms.O kind of, goes out of the box. So hang tight. We're going to do some fried wonton dill pickles and fried wonton cheese sticks. And oh my God, we're gonna do ranch dressing and salsa for the dipping sauces. Nope, ranch dressing won't be made from scratch, and neither will the salsa. We're gonna get that out of a jar, put it into 2 bowls, and we're gonna serve it up like that. But I promise you, you guys are really going to like this recipe. All right, you guys ready? Let's get in this kitchen and make it happen. Okay, Royals, here we go. It's going to be quick, simple, delicious, and easy. Here I have a bowl of water. We're going to need that for the wonton wrappers. And you guys, don't be looking at my wrinkled hands. I had to wash all the lotion off because we're going to wrap and use our hands for water. So I didn't want nothing tasting like lotion. So yep, they're wrinkled. Here, I'm not using the pickles that you buy in the store. You know how you go to these convenience stores, especially in the hood, and you get these big old fat pickles here? These are the pickles we're going to use for the wonton wrappers, deep fried dill pickles. See that? Okay, next, here are our wonton wrappers. Okay, you see those? We're going to use those. We're also going to use string cheese. I like the mozzarella. I guess you could use cheddar, Kobe Jack, the hot cheese. I just prefer the mozzarella. All right? So what we're going to do, let me show you. We're going to take these and we're going to cut them in half because they are too long to use for one wonton wrapper. So I'm going to cut this in half. I've already cut up the dill pickles. I've almost got to the end of that, so that's the reason you see that hole, because I had another pickle and I've almost used it up. So we're going to cut these in half. Then I'll show you what we'll come back and do with the wonton wrappers and the pickles. Okay, I've cut the cheeses in half. All right, now we're going to put them in this plastic plate. We're going to get out our wontons. And how we're going to set the cheese is we're going to set it diagonal. I'll show you what I'm doing, okay? So take this, make sure it's only one. All right, let's pull them apart like that. And I don't know, for some reason, I like doing this side. So we're going to do them like in a diamond shape. You see that? So take water with your clean hands. All right? And just wet the whole wonton. Now we're going to take the cheese. See, this is kind of like in a diamond shape. Can you see this? You see how it's in a diamond shape? You're going to take the cheese You're gonna kind of set it close to the front. So we're gonna wrap once, wrap twice. Now remember, you've already wet your wonton wrapper. So bring the ends in, do that down, take this across. I mean, it don't have to be wrapped perfectly, but you do want a nice wrap, okay? You see how you wetting it at first helps the wonton to actually stick? Okay, now we're just going to roll it. And this is what I want you to do. You see? There's a cheese stick wrapped in the wonton wrapper. Take water, and I want you to wet the whole wonton. Because what we're going to do after we do this, we're going to let them sit in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. All right? You see that one? All right, let's do another one. It's in a diamond shape, remember? This is how we want to wrap it, in a diamond shape. Let's take the water and let's go all over. Take the stick, put it kind of close to the edge. Take it, wrap it. Now stop and bring the ends in. You might have to practice a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, let's bring these ends in. Okay, let's go in. Okay, let's go in. And let's go in here. All right. Now let's wrap it. Again, here is another wonton cheese stick. Remember to wet it because we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. All right, let's get to these pickles. Same way. I know you're going to say, really? And also you need 1.5 cups of canola oil. All right, you're going to take the pickle and you're going to do the same thing. Can you see that? That's the pickle. Bring this close to the edge. You're going to bring it, well, not as close as the cheese stick. You're going to bring it in. Also, you're going to fold it. We're going to fold it over like that for the pickle. Can you see that? Okay, let's fold it again over for the pickle. So this would be more like a pocket. All right. Then we're going to take the end. Let's go this way. And I like because it's already wet, so we don't have to keep adding water to it. And here you go. Remember, wet it all over. This is how you're going to do the wonton pickle. All right, I'll show you one more of the pickle. Then I'm going to set them in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to come out and fry these babies. And I'll literally show you how to plate them, which is going to be fun for fun day. All right, diamond shape, water. And of course I have more in the refrigerator. I'm just not going to fry 4. All right, this is closer to the center. Kind of fold over like a pocket. Pull that down. Let's go. All right, fold that in like a pocket. Pull this over. Let's go. Now let's bring this in. And I think this is good. All righty. And here we go. with the whole thing. Can you see? All right. That is the wonton pickle. All right, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Then we'll fry these babies up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here are the wrappers that I let sit in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Here's also the dill pickles that set for 10 minutes. We're going to put it on a medium. Now remember, you guys, this is going to fry up probably in 30 or 40 seconds. Once you see them brown, turn them over, okay? All right, and always put them on the crease side where you see the crease, okay? Let's go. Here we go. Just putting them in there on the crease side. You don't want too many, okay? I think I can do maybe one more. And I'll show you guys. And I'll show you how fast they brown up. Okay, look at this. You see how they're browning just that fast? I mean seconds. Once they brown, flip them. Excuse me, you guys. And take them out. If you have a wire rack, put them on a wire rack. I don't at the present, but I promise you I'm going to get me one. So I'm just going to set them on paper towels. But wire racks would be better. All right, they're browning. I'm about to flip them in about 3 seconds. All right, we have a few more left in the skillet. I mean in the pot. Like I say, 3 to 4 seconds on each side, and then take them out. You see how fast they're browning? All right, so when I come back, gotta clean that grease up. When I come back, I'm going to show you the finished product and presentation. All right, Royal family, here is the finished product and presentation of the wonton dill fried pickles and the wonton cheese sticks. Look at that. Look at all that ooey gooey gooey cheese. Oh my Lord. All right, I'm finna try the pickles. All right, let me just go ahead. I want to dip it in this ranch. You see that? And that's with the pickle. Oh my Lord. All right, here I go. Here I go, here I go, here I go. Let's get a good shot of that. Wow. That is some kind of freaking awesome. All right. Let's go with the cheese stick. Look at that. And we're just going to dip it in the salsa. I tried the marinara, but I like the salsa better. Look at that, you guys. With all that ooey gooey cheese. I was going to come on and eat with you guys, but I promise when I do my Valentine's dessert, we'll sit down and eat. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Please hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And do not forget to go check out my son. That boy can cook. He's also having some amazing recipes on his channel for the Super Bowl. Again, fried wonton cheese sticks, fried wonton dill pickles. God bless you all. Ms.O love you, and thank you so much for watching.